Hello students, my name is Akash Raghav and in the previous classes we have covered our chapter power sharing. So now for this time I am covering our question and answers. Okay, so these are the important question and answers that are very much asked in our board examinations of social science. So let's start. So first is chapter is power sharing. Question is, what led to ethnic tensions? Ethnic tension means religious tensions, you could say. Okay, because there were three basic religious communities which were in you could say country Belgium. Okay, Dutch, French, and Germans. So, what led to ethnic tensions in Belgium? Why was it more acute? Acute means more problematic. Okay, in Brussels. So country is Belgium and its capital is Brussels. Like we have our country India and our capital as New Delhi. Okay. So let's discuss what are the problems and why was the tension more problematic, more acute in Brussels. So first is the minority. Minority means less in number. French speaking community, okay, 40% was rich and powerful. Okay, so the minority French speaking community was rich and powerful. So the Dutch, okay, and Dutch were majority, okay, they were 59%. Okay, so the Dutch speaking community who got the benefit of economic development. Economic development means development related to standard of living or earning of money, employment. Okay, and education much later resented it. Resented means it is not liked by them. They thought that we were in majority. We are in majority 59%, even though we have got the benefit of economic development education much later, as if we compared with minority French speaking community. Okay, so this was the reason the two communities were different. Next is the conflict was more severe. Severe means more problematic, more you could say more in depth in Brussels, because Dutch speaking people were majority in country. So the Dutch speaking people, okay, Dutch speaking people were majority in country. Country means the Dutch speaking people, okay, which were 59%, they were in majority in the country. Country means Belgium. They were in majority, more in number in country, but minority in capital. But minority in capital. So this was the main problem. Okay. So again, I'm explaining this point. The conflict was more severe in Brussels because Dutch speaking people were majority in country. So Dutch speaking 59% speaking people, they were majority in the country but minority in the capital. But they were minority in the capital. Okay, it means that they are not in more number in the capital. Okay, so this is these are the two important points for this question. Now let's come on our question number 2. It is briefly explain the ethnic composition. Ethnic means that how many communities are living in Belgium, of Belgium. So first point is the ethnic composition of small country like Belgium was very complex. Okay, complex means it is very much hard. You know that 3 communities were living and the population of Belgium is only around 2 crores. Next is of country's total population, 59% live in Flemish region. Flemish, it is a, you could say that if I say in our country there is North India, South India. So in the country Belgium there were regions like Flemish, okay, and the other is Wallonia. So of the country's total population, 59% live in Flemish region and speak Dutch language. Okay, so somehow 59% they live in Flemish region and speak Dutch. You know that 59% speak Dutch language. Third point is another 40% live in Wallonia region. So 40% of the population live in Wallonia region, okay, and speak French. They speak French. Remaining 1% speak German language. Okay, the remaining population they speak German language. Third is in capital Brussels. So we are talking about the capital Brussels. 80% speak French. Okay, now it has changed. 80% speak French while 20% speak Dutch language. 20% of the population speak Dutch language. Again, I'm speaking you if it is country. Okay, if it is, you could say country. So in the country, what happening is majority is of Dutch. Okay, it means they were more in number. Okay, and minority is of French. Okay, this is Belgium. This is country Belgium. Okay. In this Belgium country, we have capital. Capital is Brussels. Capital is Brussels. So it has changed. What had happened is, here French were in majority. It means they are more in number. Okay. And Dutch, they are in minority. Okay. So this has altered. It has changed. And this is the main problem of the Belgium. Okay. So please copy all these questions in your notebooks. These are very much important. Thank you.